So we're here today at Linlithgow Palace and we're doing a taster session with the Scottish Stonemasons Marks Project and also Historic Environment Scotland, as well as Make Your Mark. We at Make Your Mark, we make it easier and also more enjoyable for everyone to get involved with heritage sites through volunteering.
Access to Industry is an organisation that works in Edinburgh to support people with complex barriers to get into training, education, employment, volunteering, all kinds of things, and working on confidence and skills development. It's really important because the people that we work with often don't think that they will ever get back into work, or they wouldn't be able to go into education, that they lack confidence in those kind of areas, and we're trying to support them to either get that confidence back or get that confidence for the first time.
My favorite part about bringing the groups together is just seeing how much people enjoy exploring a new place. So it might be a type of building that they've never been in before, or it might be something on their doorstep that they didn't even know that they could go into. You see people's faces light up when they are learning something new or they're exploring a place that they've never been. I think there can be an idea that heritage is just old, kind of dusty, stuffy things. And actually, it's a very living thing that is very interesting to a whole range of people.
The medieval buildings in Scotland and throughout the UK are built by people about which we know practically nothing. There'll be dozens and dozens of stonemasons working here over a period of 150 or 200 years. The participants today will be recording stonemasons marks and drawing them and noting all the details about each individual mark. And that will give them the skills that they need to go on to the next stage of the project, which is for the Access to Industry team to go to Craigmillar Castle and take that on as their project. They will record all the marks.
I think the people that we're working with at the moment are getting a lot of social skills. You know, they're meeting with people they've not met before, whether that be people we support, people that they meet at Historic Environment Scotland, people with Make Your Mark. They're visiting places they're not necessarily going to access on their own.
Do you know, I've always been interested in history. I just didn't know, I've always wondered how buildings have been built, how did they do that? Just working as a team, you know, the laughter side of stuff. Another thing, I think it's good for mental health. You know, I really do. It's definitely helping me in, you know, feeling a bit more comfortable with myself, socialising with people, because I have had a bit of a problem with that stuff.
I've met people through all different walks, with all different things. I mean, some people have illnesses and that, and anxiety seems to be the main one, kind of for getting people talking. But we all come in sort of like nervous and apprehensive. I could say that probably for the whole group. But we're all leaving with smiles today, and we're all chatting, and we can't wait to speak on the way home in the train. And aye, it's fantastic there. Absolutely fantastic. I'd recommend it for anybody.